Okay, y'all, we're back here at Bridges Upholstery, and today we have a 2015 Stingray Corvette. We're going to replace the convertible top on it, and we're going to go step by step to show you how it's done. We already loosened it from the very front right here. We've already taken the side rubber off here, and this one here got to come off, and then this bow right here, we're going to get the top off of it. We've already taken the rubber out on this side over here. So once we get to the next step, we're going to show you step by step. Okay, I showed you earlier how we loosen it. Well, I'm getting ready to show you now how we loosen it. It's a bow that goes across here, and you see there's this screw right here, here, all the way across. You take them loose, and then you take the rubber out right here. This piece right here, it's supposed to stay, and it's going to be riveted in right here. Now we take this right here, rubber loose on both sides, take the screws out from here, from the metal framework first, and then you have like one screw holding this top on, okay? And the same thing on the passenger side. Taking the rubber off right here, and we gotta take this one right here off. Okay, y'all, we're back, and we moved on to the next step. We've taken the top from around this channel here, and we got, you see where we're taking it from the channel, and then this channel here around this last bolt, it goes down into that one. We pulled that out, and now we're going to have to separate the headliner from the window. But this part right here is the headliner, and we got to go in and unsnap this to loosen the top from the headliner. Okay, once we do that, we'll come back with the next move. Okay, we're back here at Bridges Upholstery, and we've moved on to the next step. We've taken the top all the way off. We had to unsnap it from the headliner here, and this bow right here, the top will go back into this one, and this bow in the front, it'll snap into this one as well, going back on. And we're just going to repeat the steps, the same steps we did as taking it off. So we'll come back and show you the next step here in a moment. Okay, y'all, we're back. We got the top on, and we got the bows put back in. The plastic that holds it here, here, and here. You have to slide them back into these rods here. We got the cable going through. It goes through here, and comes out right here, and it hooks back to right here. Once we do that, then we can put this plastic back into this last bow right here. And we're almost there. So we're gonna move on to the next step, and then we'll come back and show you the next one. Okay, y'all, we're back again. We have almost got the top completed. Now, we're gonna go back, we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna put this bow back along this area here, all the way across. Then we're gonna do the back as well. This plastic, got this plastic here, has to go in this fourth bore here on the back, all the way around. And then we're done. So we'll come back here in a few minutes and show you the rest. Okay, y'all, we opened it up, and we got this bow back in, all the screws back in, all the way across. Now we're gonna open the back up and do the back end. All right. Okay, y'all, we're back here at Bridges Upholstery, and we told you we'd show you what the finished product look like. And here you go. Get it all nice and tight. It looks factory, no wrinkles. The bow's in on the end back here. Got the rubber and everything back in. So there you have it. If you have this issue with your car, please call us at 910-322-9995. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.